Welcome to this week's free drawing school with Ruby Pester and Nadia Rossi. Part 2, Touching Nature. Draw what you feel. Exercises and experiments in drawing and touching to connect with nature during a pandemic when our sense of physical touch with others is limited. Today we'll be doing 5 exercises. The first 2 exercises are to be done outside if possible, and the last 3 can be done inside. The first is getting to know a tree. Then draw what it feels like under your feet. What is under your feet? Layers of the earth. Slice through the earth. And paint the earth on your feet. The materials you'll need for the activity are pens, pencils, paint or pastels, any of those. Paintbrushes, large white paper, different colours of plasticine or homemade salt dough or clay, and some household items to use to make marks in the dough or clay. This could be pencils, cutlery, small bits and pieces you can find at home that you can wash clean after. Getting to know a tree. Find a tree in your garden, the park, your favourite one on the street maybe. Go close and put your hands on its trunk. What does it feel like? Make a drawing of the sensations. Can you guess its age? Can you imagine what this tree has seen? Is there anything you'd like to tell the tree? Think of all the things this tree connects to in nature, including yourself. You could close your eyes and imagine you are the tree. Make a drawing of the connections and sensations you feel through your branches and roots, above and below ground. Think of yourself as an individual tree, and then imagine your fellow trees with you all over the planet. What do they say to each other? How do they all feel together? Draw what it feels like under your feet. Take off your shoes and socks and sink your feet into the ground. This could be in your garden, a park, the beach, on the street, in a puddle or in a river. Anywhere you like, as long as it's safe to do so. Take a large piece of paper and draw the outline of your feet big on the page. Inside and around your feet, draw all of the sensations you are feeling through your soles and toes. Walk around a little bit and see what it feels like. You can write down words too if you like. What is under your feet? Layers of the earth. Broadly speaking, the earth has 4 layers. The solid crust on the outside, the mantle, the outer core and the inner core. Using the drawings we made outside, cut them out and arrange them in layers on top of each other on the page to build up layers of the earth. You could also think about the layers of the forest floor. Once you've arranged your layers on the page, take your salt dough or clay and remake your earth layers in 3D, following the lines and shapes on the paper and finding a way to stack the sculptural parts in layers. Think about adding textured marks and forms to each layer as you go. Slice through the earth. Slice your layer sculpture in half like a cake and take a look at the section where you cut it in half. What shapes and forms do you see from this perspective? Make a drawing which explores the layer sculpture from this view. And lastly, paint the earth on your feet. If you feel like it, at the end, paint the layered earth sculpture onto your feet.